Long live! Long live Papuan people! Long live! Victory Emo! Free! Victory Emo! Free! Victory Emo! Free! Militarism! Racist! Militarism! Racist! Indonesia colonialism! Racist! Indonesia colonialism! Racist! Imperialism! Racist! Imperialism! Racist! Today we are Petisi Rakyat Papua or Papuan People's Petition. We are here to demonstrate the purpose of the demonstrate to make public pressure to Indonesian government to free of Victory Emo, because Victory Emo is our comrades. Victory Emo is our comrades that political hero, and right now wants to, and also Victory Emo is self-determination activist. And then right now Indonesian militarism just attacked him on May 2020, and then we are here to pressure Indonesian militarism, also to pressure Indonesian colonialism to free of Victory Emo. And also we want to Indonesian government to give us self-determination right now. Indonesian militarism, resist! Indonesian militarism, resist!
Okay, today with Papuan people in Jayapura City, we take demonstration, peaceful demonstration to demand to Indonesian colonialism in West Papua. They take prison our political leader, Victory Emo. Victory Emo is our spokesman from West Papua People's Petition. That West Papua Petition means to reject special autonomy law from Indonesian colonialism in West Papua. So today we West Papuan people demand to Indonesian free our political leader, Victory Emo, now.
Free Victory Emo! Free! Free Victory Emo!
Free! And we take call to all people in this world to give support to West Papuan people, and we to have self-determination for West Papua as the democratic solution. Long live! Long live! West Papuan people!
Long live!
Long live West Papuan people!
Long live!
Free West Papua!
Free West Papua!
Free Victory Emo!
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 Today
we also call for the collective action. We call the solidarity all of the world to also give us solidarity to pressure Indonesian government so them can attack us, and then they also can give free for Victory Emo. Long live freedom fighter! Long live Victory Emo! Long live! Resist imperialism!
Resist!
Resist militarism Indonesia! Resist! Resist colonialism Indonesia! Resist! Thank you.